I am studying first class, Mangal Parshad Primary School, Dugrala, Yeruru. Good morning everyone, my name is Tenneti Daniel. I am studying second class, Mandal Parshad Primary School, Dugrala, Yeruru. My mother's name is Tenneti Uma Maheshwari. My father's name is Tenneti Sankaraju. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear sir. My name is Daniel and I am today feel proud to speak a few words on the occasion of Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on this day in 1947. India got freedom from British rule after many years of struggle. This day reminds us of the great sacrifices of our freedom fighters Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others who made our and made India free. They fought with courage and love for the national because of them. Today we are living in a free and democratic country. We should always remember, respect our national flag, national anthem, and all those who protect our country and make it a better place. As students, we can also save the country by studying or helping others, keeping our surroundings clean and following good habits. Let us strongly should also love our country and make it a better place. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and thank you. Happy Independence.